such type of grouping will easily understand by student. If any student is able to understand the divisibility test of 3, it means he or she can easily able to learn divisibility test of 6, 9 and 18 too. How? That I am going to explain it one by one. So the very first test, that is divisibility test of 3, it says that if any number, whether it is a 5-digit number, 3-digit number or 4-digit number, whatever it may be, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to do the sum of that whole number. For example, I wrote number like this. This is 5-digit number, and they ask whether this particular number is divisible by 3 or not. What I have to do is, I have to do the sum of all the digits given in a number. Sum of all the digits given in a number. So 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 and plus 8, that is 27. So the sum of all these digits given in a number, that is 27, and the sum, whatever the sum you have calculated, if that sum is divisible by 3, means the whole number is divisible by 3. It is very simple. So you know that in a table of 3 nines are 27. It means this number is divisible by 3. That's why the whole number given here is also divisible by 3. A very simple test. So the same test is of 6 also. So the divisibility test of 6, what it says, 6 is a combination of or product of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So the test of 2 and test of 3, divisibility test of 2 and divisibility test of 3 will apply over here. How we are going to apply, that is, I am going to explain over here. That is, if a number is even number and it is divisible by 3, means all the digits given in a number and the sum is divisible by 3, means the whole number is divisible by 3. In another word, we can say that if a number is divisible by 3 and that is even number, if a number is divisible by 3 and that is even number, then that number must be divisible by 6 also. For example, I am going to interchange this number 3, 6, 9, 8 and 1. We know that the sum of all the digits in a number is 27, no doubt. But this particular number is not even number. That's why this number is not divisible by 6, though it is divisible by 3. So if we wrote a number like this, 3, 8, 9, 1 and 6, now the addition of all the digits given in a number is also 27, and this particular number is even number because at its unit place it has a 6. So the whole number is divisible by 2 and 3 also. So it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 2, that means it is divisible by 6 also. So that is what the divisibility test of 6. Now the divisibility test of 9. Divisibility test of 9, what it says, that it is as same as divisibility test of 3. In divisibility test of 3, what we learn, if any number is given to you, add all the digits in that number, make a sum of it, and if the sum is divisible by 3, that means the whole number is divisible by 3. Here a little bit change is that do the sum of all the digits given in a number, and the sum, whatever the sum will come, divide it by 9. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. That is a little bit change you have to do here. So if I took a number, that is this number I took 18,369, and I have to apply the divisibility test of 9. What I have to do is, I have to do the sum of all the digits given in the number, and we know that the sum of all these number is 27. If this number is divisible by 9, that means the whole number is divisible by 9 also. And if you understand the divisibility test of 9, then you can easily apply the divisibility test of 18 to how it is. So the basic we learn here, that is, if any number is divisible by 3 and that is even number, then that number is also divisible by 6 also. So the same theory is applied over here. If any number which is divisible by 9 and that number is even number, then the whole number must be divisible by 18. For example, the above given number is not an even number, it's an odd number. That's why that number is not divisible by 18. If I change that number like this, 1, 9, 3, 6 and 8. What I did? I changed the place of a number. I interchange it with a number and now it becomes an even number. We know that addition of all the digits given in this number is 27 and it means it is divisible by 9 and divisible by 9 and number is an even number. That's why the whole number is divisible by 18. So today we learn the divisibility test of 3, 6, 9 and 18. We will